My name is Frank Lee. I'm the chair of electrical computer engineering, computer science, and information technology. So it's three departments together. Today, we'd like to share with you some information regarding the new course we recently developed, and also the new concentration. Not new concentration, which means some revision of our new concentration in big data management and analytics. Okay, and also I will talk to you about the partnership we built up with the IBM using their system in our concentration here. Okay, here this our programming goal. The program goal. The CS program goal is supposed to design to allow the student to gain some theoretical knowledge and also apply those knowledge into one of a concentration. And it also supposed to prepare our students to be creative and inquisitive, analytic, and also detail-oriented. So that's our program goal. Okay, so currently our CS undergraduate students had to take 57 credits, okay, in CS-related courses. And among this, 36 credits will be in the core course, and 6 credits for CS elective, which is 2 courses. And then plus, they had to go through the final project course, which in their final senior year, semester. And in addition, students had to take 12 credits in concentration. So when they get into the second semester of a junior year, they had to consult with their advisor and pick one of the area. And currently we have 2. One is network security, and the other one is the newly renovated big data management and analytics. So today we'll concentrate on the second concentration. Okay, here I give you the idea, the 12 CS core course. Okay, starting from programming and got to data structure, discrete structure, then come into network and operating system, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so that's basically the 12 core course. And then, as I mentioned, in their final year, they had to sum up everything they had learned in the program and to build up their own senior project. Okay, and this project can be the teamwork. Okay, can be the teamwork, and with the oral presentation and also the final report. Okay, all the faculty are going to join the project presentation and give it the final grade to the student. And then, in addition, as I mentioned, in their junior year, after they finish the first term, they had to pick one subject, one concentration, either in network security or big data analytic field. Okay. So here I give you the concentration. Okay, here I give you the concentration, particularly in big data analytic field. As I mentioned, we recently renovated the big data analytic concentration, and we also introduced a new courses we call CSCI 372, Big Data Analytic. And let me give you the detail. Okay, the concentration cover the following following courses, and students had to pick 4 out of this 5, starting from information retrieval, and then they get into big data analytics, and then 4.1 database interface, and then data mining and distributed database system. So they pick 4 courses from the list. Okay, from the list. And the concentration, this is the goal of concentration. It provides students focus on the management and the analysis of the big data, and plus they learn and to design, implement information system, and also equip them with the knowledge and the skill to extract meaning from big data. So that's the concentration goal. And then let me talk about the partnership with the IBM. Our partnership with IBM, starting with the System Z. I don't know. System Z, the mainframe academic initiative. We had a pretty good relationship with them, and they promised and they actually help us to use their system, and also connect IBM client with NYT, and to hire our students and learning some critical system skill. So through the System Z academic initiative, actually the person we contact was Dan Resnick. I don't know, do you know him? Yeah, Dan. And then the other one is Cassie Pfeiffer. Yeah, okay, yeah. I think she's a global manager of System Z system, the mainframe system. So we're actually using the IBM in the material in our database course. We're using DB2 and using some of the data from them. Okay, so basically that's starting from System Z academic initiative. So, based on this, very successful, experience, our faculty, decide to address big data analytics in the field with IBM academic initiative again. Okay, since IBM, everybody knows, it's a leader in this field. So with the consent with our faculty, CS faculty, we're starting to implement and develop the new course, and also renovate our big data concentration. The new course, so the conclusion, the new course is going to embrace the IBM academic initiative, and also going to introduce the IBM, going to introduce the IBM InfoSeal system. And also with the partner with IBM, we can remote access their enterprise system and also the data, okay, and to use as our lab experience. So the course content, here I give you the course content. It basically covers the data analytics, and then talk about the tool. Then they talk about the tool for structure, and then also about the unstructured data using, for example, not only SQL and Hadoop and the pig and the Hive, et cetera, et cetera. And then, of course, we're going to use IBM InfoSeal system, okay, into our lab, and dealing with the financial, banking, defense, and et cetera, et cetera. The textbook, the book we use for theoretical foundation is using the book we call Hadoop. Okay, it's written by Alex Holman. Okay, and then the book we use for IBM system to introduce IBM InfoSeal system. We're using this book, a pretty famous. Pretty famous book. Yeah, this is a book by Paul Decopol, and it's harness the power of the big data, the IBM big data platform. So this, the book we're using together to teach the course. Here give you the topic. We cover starting from introduction, then go into the basic data analytics. We're dealing with R, dealing with a statistic model, and then we'll talk about structure, the architecture, using Hadoop, and using HDF and MapReduce, et cetera, et cetera. And then we talk about not only SQL here, and then they talk about IBM InfoSeal, Big Insight. Here they tell you what is Big Insight, and then talk about IBM string. Okay, so basically that's the topic, and we cover. And I can give you the weekly reading assignment, and the topic, and the exercise. Okay, and You can get this one, from the Dropbox. Okay, but basically we're starting to give you all the detail, chapter, exercise, and the topic. So it's weekly, bi-weekly material. And this week number 3, talk about the data serialization and etc. Okay, this number 4 week, string. And then number 6, number 5, number 6, number 7. So the first 8 weeks, about 9 weeks, actually dealing with the first book, with how-to book. And then starting from...
Are these undergraduate or?
Undergraduate. Yeah, undergraduate courses.
You must have a different breed of undergraduate.
Yeah. Okay. So then starting from 10th week, okay, we starting to talk about IBM system now. So we're using, talk about IBM pure data system. And then we're starting to talk about the first big insight, and the student had to learn to store the big insight. And then the next one, we talk about string. And finally, we talk about finally we talk about text analysis over here. Okay, so that's, conclude the entire courses. Here, this is the learning outcome. Okay, the learning outcome, there's a 6 learning outcome. Okay, student finishes the course, will be able to describe the characteristic of the big data model with relational model, et cetera, et cetera. So that's the 6 learning outcome for this courses. And then based on this 6 learning outcome, we had to do the assessment. So assessment, okay, I'm going to perform for learning outcome number 1, number 4, number 6. We're going to use in Access, homework, and to assess the success of the courses. And then we're also using the programming project and to assess the learning outcome 2, 3, and 5. And then we finally using the exam question to assess 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is very important because we had to meet the requirement or the criteria of the ABET. I know some people probably know the ABET, right? It's pretty tough,